Hi everyone! Welcome back to the place where we talk everything bikes, reviews, and more. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give us a like if you're into anything two-wheeled. Today we're diving into something really special, the 2025 Triumph Street 77765. Whether you're a fan of the previous models or you're just looking for your next bike, this one's got a lot to talk about. So, let's get into it. Host voiceover, the Triumph Street 77765 has been a favorite among riders for years. It blends performance, styling, and that distinct British flair in a package that's perfect for everyday riding or taking on a twisty back road. Now for 2025, Triumph has pulled out all the stops with an upgraded model that takes everything we love about this bike to the next level. Today we're going to go over all the new updates, how the bike rides, and who it's really meant for. If you're in the market for something agile, powerful, and full of attitude, the Street 77765 might just be the bike you're looking for. Host voiceover, first off, let's talk performance. The 2025 Street 77765 features the same iconic 765cc inline-3 engine that's been refined over the years. However, Triumph has made some key upgrades to ensure that this engine keeps up with the latest trends in the naked sports bike segment. The big news here is the improved engine tuning. Triumph has fine-tuned the ECU mapping, and the result is a more responsive throttle and smoother power delivery. The new setup offers about 120 horsepower in the standard model and up to 130 horsepower in the RS trim, which gives you a serious power-to-weight ratio for an amazing riding experience. The 2025 Street 77765 is also more focused on mid-range power, meaning you get a more usable spread of power for street riding or carving up the canyons. This is especially noticeable in how it pulls out of corners. You get more torque in the 6,000 to 8,000 RPM range, which is perfect for aggressive cornering without needing to rev the engine to its limit. Host voiceover, now let's dive into the chassis and handling, a major highlight for the 2025 model. The frame has been revised for better rigidity, contributing to more precise handling. Triumph has incorporated a new, lighter swing arm, which reduces the bike's overall weight, making it even more flickable and agile, especially in tight corners. The front and rear suspension have been upgraded as well. On the RS variant, you get fully adjustable Showa suspension with a big focus on improved feel and compliance. Whether you're out on the street or hitting the track, the new suspension will help you maintain control while soaking up bumps without compromising on cornering performance. Additionally, the 2025 Street Triple gets revised geometry with a quicker steering angle, which makes the bike feel even more nimble and eager to turn. For riders who love pushing their bike to the limit, the increased precision is definitely noticeable. But don't worry if you're just riding around town, the suspension is still comfortable enough for daily use. Host voiceover, moving on to the braking system, the 2025 Street 77765 comes with upgraded Brembo calipers on both the front and rear. You'll find twin 310mm discs up front and a single 220mm disc in the rear, both of which offer exceptional braking power with a very progressive feel. Triumph has really dialed in that balance between bite and smoothness. For safety, you get standard ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, which adjust not only the throttle response but also the intervention of the traction control and ABS systems. The Street 77765 has become one of the best bikes when it comes to handling tricky conditions and giving the rider more confidence, whether it's on wet roads or through sharp, unpredictable turns. Host voiceover, one of the biggest changes for 2025 is the updated electronics package. The Street 77765 now includes a larger, fully customizable TFT screen with more functions, including smartphone integration. This means you can connect your phone, see incoming calls, messages, and even navigate right from the screen, which adds a lot of convenience for long rides. As mentioned before, you get riding modes, and now you also get more customization options. You can adjust the power delivery for a smoother, more economical ride or choose a more aggressive map for a high-performance experience. The bike's handling characteristics are also tailored to the chosen mode, making it easier to ride regardless of your skill level. Host voiceover. Visually, the 2025 Triumph Street 77765 carries forward the aggressive, yet clean design we know and love. The front end is dominated by that unmistakable single LED headlight, which gives the bike a mean, almost alien look. The new fairing and minimalist design elements make it look even more purposeful and sleek. Triumph has also updated the bodywork for better aerodynamics and reduced weight. This has been balanced with practical aspects like new heat shields on the exhaust, which should help with overall durability. And let's not forget the new color options. You get the choice of the classic matte black, the bold crystal white, and the racing-inspired silver. Host voiceover. When it comes to comfort, the Street 77765 has always struck a good balance between sport and everyday usability, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. The seat height is still manageable for most riders, sitting at around 32 inches, which is just the right height for both shorter and taller riders to get a firm footing. The handlebars have been slightly adjusted for 2025, offering a more relaxed riding posture, making it easier to ride for longer periods without putting too much strain on your back and wrists. Whether you're commuting or hitting the open road, the Street Triple remains one of the most comfortable naked bikes out there. Host voiceover. So, who is the 2025 Triumph Street 77765 for? Well, the Street Triple has always been a bit of a jack of all trades. It's a sport bike that can still serve as a commuter. And it's one of the best naked bikes for riders looking to get into more aggressive street riding or even track days. It competes with bikes like the Yamaha MT-09, the Kawasaki Z900, and the Ducati Monster 821. However, where the Triumph excels is in its overall balance. It doesn't lean too much towards the track or the street. It blends the two with perfect harmony. Host voiceover. After spending some time with the 2025 Triumph Street 77765, it's clear that Triumph has continued to evolve this bike in all the right ways. The engine is more powerful, the handling is sharper, and the electronics make the bike feel even more high-tech. But at its core, it's still the same bike we've come to love, a beautifully balanced, engaging machine that's a joy to ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking to make their first leap into the world of naked sport bikes, the Street 77765 offers something for everyone. It has the performance to keep even the most experienced riders on their toes, yet it remains accessible enough for new riders to grow into. Alright, that's it for today's review of the 2025 Triumph Street 77765. What do you think about the changes? Are you excited about the new features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. And as always, keep the rubber side down and the throttle twisted. I'll catch you in the next one.